Hi, I'm Dala, and it's happening. Yeah, so we're completed. Or not completed, but we got it out of the garage. There's been some stuff happening here behind the scenes. I have mounted the cooling system, and this was a bit of a... Yeah, it was very hard to get this cooling system sorted out, because I used a Nissan Micra radiator and I put it on the side. So it wasn't really meant to be mounted on the side, because it started leaking from the radiator cap and drained. So we had to get creative and fill it up with some silicone to get it working. We have also mounted a vacuum pump, and I went with a Hella one supplied by EVNX. Massive thanks to Lars for figuring out the quietest pumps on the market. It's not properly hooked up yet, but it's here in the engine bay. And what else? The wiring is kinda incomplete. There's lots of wires still going all around the engine bay and in the interior, but we will tidy those up. The important thing is that it's like functional. Like we can charge the car, we can drive the car. Yeah, so that's kinda amazing. I have some issues with the suspension still, so I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and do what I should have done from the start, and that is to get some coilovers. Because even though we have the lowering springs in the front, the car still like sags backwards and goes like a ship, and we don't want that. So, especially not with these new rims that I also got, which I think were very suitable for this build. They look awesome, but again, we need the car to be a bit lower to fill out those cards a bit more. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. We will continue to button this thing up and make it more road legal, because we still can't drive this one. We need to get all the safety critical systems operational, and then we can go for muutoskatsastus. But there is still some things that we need to be done before that, so yeah. Massive thanks for watching, and as always, thanks to my Patreon supporters. This build wouldn't have been possible without you, so yeah, you guys rock. Dala out.